Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show how to blur on Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all you will be needing to do is to create a new project so you can add your content and add the effects to them. So here you will find file, you will click on new project, you will choose any type of aspect ratio. Then you will be needing like just to drag and drop your media. So this is the one that I want to uh, uh, blur. And basically now, all we will be needing to do is to add the blur effects to it. So we can simply like find these settings. So this is the video. And basically here you will have like many things like some basic transformation, mask, color, speed, etc. and AI tool and whatever. And what we are interested in is the effects. So basically here in the effects, we will be needing to search for the blur. So here you can simply go and click on blur. And basically it will give you all the blur effects that are available in uh, Filmora. So there is this mosaic blur. And from here we have added this blur. And as you can see now, we can just drag and drop this blur. And this is the blur. And basically all we need to do is to search for the blur effect, and this is just the blend mode. And basically here, and we need to go just like to the panel where we can like customize our effect. So this is the blur amount, and basically those are the blur type. And basically we will be able like to increase the type of blur. And as you can see, you can choose the opacity, either you want it to be like that. And also we can choose how the blur is showing, also the severity of the blur. And of course, you can use it like to be in whatever form that you would like. And also you can use a keyframe, so you can choose which like time you want for the blur to be showing. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.